Yogurt is a nutrient-rich food with many health benefits. Here are 10 key benefits of consuming yogurt. 10. Rich in probiotics. Yogurt contains live bacteria, like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, which help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, improving digestion and promoting overall gut health. 9. Boosts immune system. The probiotics in yogurt support immune function by strengthening the gut barrier and enhancing the body's defense against harmful pathogens. 8. Supports bone health. Yogurt is a great source of calcium, vitamin D, phosphorus, and magnesium, all essential for maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. 7. Aids in digestion. Yogurt is easier to digest than milk because the lactose is partially broken down by the bacteria during fermentation. It is often well tolerated by people with lactose intolerance. 6. Promotes heart health. Regular consumption of yogurt, especially low-fat varieties, may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of cardiovascular disease. 5. Helps with weight management. Yogurt, particularly Greek yogurt, is high in protein, which helps increase satiety, reduce appetite, and aid in maintaining or losing weight when incorporated into a balanced diet. 4. Rich in protein. Yogurt is a great source of high-quality protein, which is important for muscle repair, tissue growth, and overall body function. 3. Supports skin health. The lactic acid in yogurt acts as a mild exfoliant and moisturizer when applied topically. When consumed, its probiotics may help reduce skin inflammation and improve overall skin texture. 2. Promotes oral health. The calcium and phosphorus in yogurt help strengthen teeth and bones, and the probiotics can help reduce bad breath and protect against harmful bacteria in the mouth. 1. May help prevent type 2 diabetes. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of probiotic-rich yogurt can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Including yogurt in your diet regularly can offer these health benefits, enhancing your digestive system, immunity, and overall well-being.